Just so you know, the long game here is won with branding campaigns. The short game here, which we are also interested in, is won with conversions campaigns. This is a very important one. Short lesson. I'm gonna go straight to the point. Do not jump into any Facebook advertising. Do not put your hard-earned dollars into Facebook unless you know exactly what you're going after. You yourself have to understand your campaign goals. If you don't get your campaign goals, you get lost trying to figure out what is your KPI, key performance indicator. You have to really understand what are you trying to accomplish. You are going to have many different campaigns along the way. Sometimes you're going to be running several of them at the same time. For example, if I have an Amazon brand, if I have an e-commerce brand, let's talk about Amazon for a second. On Amazon, at any given day, I have at least 4 to 5 different campaigns going on different funnels with different levels. Same with an e-commerce shop. This is an example. For example, I have a campaign that is exclusively designed to be able to generate ranking on Amazon. That's the whole purpose. I don't care about retargeting. I don't care about branding particularly. I care about generating sales velocity. I care about manipulating the incredible power of the Facebook world of millions of people using it actively to generate the volume that I need to generate in order to rank my products on Amazon. That is the purpose. So what am I trying to do? Conversions. I'm trying to generate people that are gonna buy my product with a discount. High volumes of it. Not only that, controlled people. Let's say that I want to move 70 people per day, 70 coupons per day. Okay, so that's a controlled exact goal. So before you start doing that, you need to set your goals very clearly. What am I trying to accomplish with this campaign? I'm trying to move from position this to position that on Amazon. I'm trying to actually start generating, instead of 10 sales per day, 17 sales per day. Establish your goals and also determine what is it going to take for you to get those goals. A lot of you guys do other training. Some of you guys are Amazon sellers and you learn how to rank yourself on Amazon and you know what it takes and you know all the tools for putting yourself in front of a lot of more people organically. So you're gonna use those tools in combination with the Facebook advertising campaign, but do not jump into it unless you understand what you're going after. Now there's other campaigns that are going on which are very important. Like for example, you can have a campaign that is exclusively a branding campaign. That's all you're trying to do. You're trying to just simply put yourself out there and let the world know about what you do, how you help people. Just establish and connect with people. It's very important to understand that because there's a reason why there's different levels when it comes to Facebook advertising. There's one level in which you just want to put your brand out there. There's another level in which you want to start having people consider your brand and think about you or whether they establish a relationship with you or the competitor. And then there's a level of actually getting those people to convert and becoming a customer. So all of those require different campaign objectives. So you have to find out exactly what you're trying to accomplish. Just so you know, the long game here is won with branding campaigns. The short game here, which we are also interested in, is won with conversions campaigns. Both of them are really viable and real on the Facebook world. Why? Because we have unlimited buyers in there, and we also have unlimited, pretty much, people using the platform every day that we can actually connect with and get them interested in our stuff. So whatever we do, our actions have to include both areas, branding and sales, branding and conversions. We're gonna put some money towards branding and we're gonna put some money towards conversions. Some weeks or some months, we're gonna go heavily on trying to accomplish a particular goal that we set ourselves to accomplish, whether it is a ranking position or whether it is a sales volume when it comes to our own e-commerce shop, or whether it is if you're a brick and mortar, you have a clinic or whatever it is that you wanna drive people to your shop, well, you have a target to reach. We can go directly into sales, direct marketing. But, longer term, you have to make sure that you always run branding campaigns, because the long game, the marathon, is won with the branding, guys. If you don't do branding consistently, in the long run, you're gonna be affected by that. And since we are interested in building a brand, then you know that at any moment, we don't have to be running sales, but we always have to be running branding. So, guys, before you start, I want you to right now figure out what is gonna be your first campaign. What are you going after? Are you going after sales? right away, right off the bat, just to generate velocity on Amazon? Are you going into a branding campaign so you can start spreading the word about your awesome line of products, about your life-changing story, about your origin story, and let the world know about how much you fought to have an awesome product that is going to make the lives of the people better? You can invest some money on that. Now, guaranteed no return on investment, but you're building a future. So go ahead right now after this lesson and really analyze what's going to be your first campaign objective. What are you trying to accomplish? How many people do you want to reach? How many sales do you want to accomplish? What is the exact end goal of this particular campaign?